All right, who's living good? Who's feeling good? All right, I think I am. Okay. Hey, thanks for watching my videos, guys. Let's talk about Live Good and what's going on this week because we have new products, which is always exciting. It brings in people that just want to buy the products because they're the best. As it comes, as far as ingredients, no one's going to beat us when it comes to ingredients, and no one can touch us on price because we're based on wholesale, not retail. Okay. So for $10 a month, $9.95 to be exact, you guys are buying retail. And you don't have to retail and resell if you don't want to. Most people, they'll just pay the $10 a month, save a ton of money, and put those products in their guts. All right, just open those little mouthies and put those products in and look and feel good, okay? So let's go over some of the products right now. But first, I want you to just look at that, joincory.com. Okay, we'll get to that at the end of the old video. But if you'd like to join Live Good as a member or an affiliate, you're going to go to joincory.com, okay? Now on your screen, you're going to see our products page. And look at all those products. These are top sellers, by the way, the multivitamins, male and female. All right, I love the protein, chocolate and vanilla. I actually mix it up too. I'm a big fan. I weigh about 220 and I'm scared I'm going to get below that, believe it or not. I know 220 sounds heavy, but if I weigh like 200, I look like a skeleton. So I like to have a lot of protein as I almost reach 60 years old here. Magnesium, super important. These are the two products that brought me in. Okay, Super Reds and Super Grains. I hope that you look into them. They're only $15 each. And remember, all of our products, you get 3 months. All right, guarantee. 90 days. You don't like any of these products I'm showing you, just send them back to Jupiter, Florida and get your money back. Even if the container, even if this organic coffee, pour it out, just ship back that empty container, get your money back. And our CEO, he knows it's the best coffee and we're the cheapest because we're a wholesale company. We know and stand behind our products. That's why we have an insane, no questions asked, 3-month guarantee on everything I'm showing you. Okay, CBD oil, factor 4, even pain relief for your pet. Okay, you need energy, check out this E3. Pain relief, this cream you can rub on your body. And these energy packets are a hoot. If you need energy, they're like little stickers. Put them on your shoulder blade, put them on your butt cheek. And if you want to sleep at night, put one of these on your nipples, but have fun with these little patches. They're cheap. And if they don't work, get your money back. Essential oils, only $50 for this big old box. No, on the street, it's $200. So no one beats us on ingredients and on pricing. Creatine, methylene blue, super popular. You put these little tabs on your tongue. Turns it blue for a little bit, but the benefits of methylene blue, check it out. All right, ours is cheap as heck. All right, now, if you're looking into weight management, you should look into anything that has lean in our product, okay? This is all brand new, okay? They're working great, and if you do have a weight issue or diabetes or high blood pressure, obviously these products are going to help you to some extent. At least give them a try and get your money back. So, all right, here's the new multivitamin for kids. Okay, this came out a month or two ago. And for women, the hormonal balance. All right, now getting down here with vitality. This is awesome. So we got the females and the males. All right, those dudes. All right, we got some cool things with this vitality. And if you need to learn anything more about these products, just hit the white rectangle box. It pops up a whole other screen that goes into extreme detail of how to use the product, what's the ingredients, and how much wholesale or retail, or you can buy a hotel. Okay, these are the brand new products now. See the CBN gummies. Okay, we just had a nice 30-minute tutorial from Dr. Ryan, who created this product with our CEO, Ben, and Lisa. She's in charge of product education. But we had a great 30-minute sesh about this brand new product that just hit the streets a couple days ago. These sleep gummies, extremely powerful. And you need sleep, guys. If you have insomnia, that can really, really mess you up, and you know this. Okay? Now, getting down here, this line, this has all been out for a few months. All right? The probiotic gut support and this Himalayan moss, super popular. Same with the chlorophyll. Okay? But here's our new products here. All right? The Vita Glow Moisturizer, Instant Youth and the Ageless Renewal. All right? Check it out. Ladies and gentlemen, most ladies think of wrinkles and wrinkles, and you know, I'm in that category too. I got wrinkles all over this face and my butt cheeks, man, and I definitely should use this to kind of just, you know, make my face look a little better because I'm almost 60 years old. There's nothing wrong with looking a little more healthy, a little more sexy, okay? And these 3 products are just amazing, okay? You can also scroll down and there's packages, okay? So if you're going to buy something every month, you should look at these packages because you can save money and it's convenient. All right. So obviously, if you like the energy and the sleep, order them as a combo. Okay. If you're more into weight management, look into this pack right here. Okay. Or wellness, or maybe you're just into like me. This one's kind of for me. I'm more into building muscle, trying to keep strong and kicking buns. All right. So I love the whey. And you can see here, it's got the creatine, and then there's my favorite. See that little Super Reds little container there? All right. So if you want to order, just check it out. But take your time, guys. There's no rush. All right. We got shirts and hats and tank tops and little hoodies for the winter and little beanie caps. And this little thing you put in your drinks and mix them up nice and mix and froth for $5. Okay. But our products are awesome. This is why we're so darn successful. We have 1.7 million members and affiliates now, guys. We're in over 200 countries, and it just gets bigger, better, thicker, and longer, okay, each month that we are just kicking it, okay? We started December 13th of 22. Right now it's February of 2025, so we're 2 years and 2 months old, so 2.2 years old, okay? And for us to sign up about 60,000 people per month still after our grand opening of 2.2 years ago is outstanding. We're in the wintertime right now where people have a little weight to lose from holidays. And plus here where I live, you know, people are skiing and snowmobiling, but I live at the bottom of a big old mountain. And boy, in the summertime, people get distracted with hiking, biking, fishing, and just doing all this cool stuff. But in the wintertime, especially February right now, we're just barely a couple days in. People are more inside. They want to earn some extra money to pay off their bills from all the holidays. They want to lose some of the extra fat they might have gained from pumpkin pie and all that holiday food. Okay, but still, people like to earn money. So you can join this company as a member just to get wholesale pricing on the products. But if you want to earn money, guess what? It's two $20 bills. You're an affiliate. You don't buy products to qualify to earn commissions here. We don't commission the products. Okay. We're a membership company, similar, I guess you could call us, you know, something similar to like Amazon Prime or maybe Costco, to where Amazon, obviously, if you join the Prime membership per month, you get free shipping on everything and some other cool stuff. Costco here in America, all right, if you're just an individual like me or a business, you pay their fee and you go in and you save on televisions, on snacks, frozen food, could be camping gear. And on the way out, have a nice hot dog, okay? But you save a lot of money by paying that membership, okay? You should look into this company. The products, they're the best. You're not going to find better products. And since we're wholesale priced, guys, we're always killing it by 30 to 50 to as high as 75% off anyone that might be selling stuff on, for example, Amazon or GNC, let's say, okay? But you guys go to the products tab. Now, if you want to look in to earning money, remember, it's only $40 one time to be an affiliate, and that's it. That's where I recommend that you go to the website, livegood.com, go to the products, this page I just showed you, but then also go to the FAQ. Because this page right here, it'll tell you about a lot of things that might be on your mind. Just click each question, and they're answered. Then go to the bottom. It's going to say affiliate pay plan or pay plan, and just see how we get paid. Watch the video a couple times. You know, it's a YouTube video, and you can read the screen too, which I'm showing you. But do yourself a favor. Just watch the YouTube video at the bottom with this pretty girl here. Just hit the play button, okay? So, how am I successful? How am I number 27 on the leaderboard out of 1.7 million people? But guys, I've signed up well over 400 people just by keeping it simple. Joincory.com, that's my business card from Vistaprint. When you click joincory.com, you're going to go to a little page with a 6-minute video. You're going to meet our CEO, Ben Glinsky. And if you want to join, just put your name and email address in. Hit the little button. You guys will figure it out. It's right in the middle. And if you want to join Live Good, just open up the Live Good email you're going to get. Okay. And if you're not interested and you want to take a week or 2 or 3 or even 3 months, you can come back and you're going to get a nice email once a day from me. The email is from LiveGood. Okay. And if you don't want the email message anymore, just go to the bottom of the email and hit opt out. But isn't it nice to know that if you join, that LiveGood will send one message for a month, 30 days on your behalf? Because most people don't know about autoresponders, Aweber, GetResponse, LeadLeaps. There's all these companies, and it sounds easy, but it's not. Everyone gets all confused, and before you know it, you're spending weeks and weeks trying to market, and you get lost in the shuffle. Just get really good at inviting people to watch a video. That's all you got to do with LiveGood. Don't say nothing else. Just let the video do everything. Comp plan, products, everything else. Trust me, guys, 1.7 million people have figured it out. Okay, and you're going to be right smack dab having some fun with this, okay? All right, guys, I'm at the 11-minute mark. Thank you for your time. I have a good time in this little company called LiveGood. All right, and I hope you look at the products and take them, that's for sure. So joincory.com and get a hold of me if you need something. My email address, you'll see it below the video, but it's Cory@CoryDraper.com. Okay? All right, peace and love. We'll see you next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.